Alright, you guys, we are back. This is we're doing springs again, but for Winston's Type R 50K Civic. Right? No, it's pretty nice. Not gonna lie. We have it up on the lift right now. How hot is it right now? It's like fucking.
It's about to be 100.
It's probably like 98 right now, to be honest. But we're gonna get it done. It's summer. We're bored. Throw that bad boy. Oh. Alright, you guys. So we got this out. We didn't record what the fuck just happened, but all those videos on YouTube that we watched, it's a fucking scam. All right. They make it look so easy. I'd rather play in Game 7 finals than try to get this shit out, bro.
Down 29.
Exactly. But basically, all the new suspensions, they have this little, they're all like, I don't know the exact term for it, but it's all clamp suspension. So, because of that, you have to slide these out and slide these back in, and it's hard. So, show them the pry tools. We literally use every single pry tool just to pry it out. But it is done. Try to get these old springs off and throw in the new ones. Winston's gonna do that. I'm gonna try to get the other side out. This is the passenger side. So you want to take off the sway bar end link. That's here. And then there's some wires and lines you have to take out here. So there's two bolts and a little push pin. This one you just right here. You push this white tab back, and then after that you can pinch both sides and pull it out. Now we have this one, and then another one back here. You can see it like right here. So those are gonna be 17. Yeah, 17. Bam. Hold both sides. This is a pretty brand new car, so it came out pretty chill. Now the hard part is just taking out the coil from the actual seating position. Just use a lot of WD-40, a lot of lube, a lot of manpower, and then you can get it out. But we're gonna go ahead and try to get some of that done now. Quick release. Throw that back one on. Remember, guys, work smarter. Spend money to solve your problems. Just like that, and it's out. Alright, now that's two. Now, you're gonna lube it up. And I'm using like a generous amount, because the other side was a pain in the fucking ass to get out. We're gonna go ahead and try to pry everything out. Now we're gonna bust out the long boy. Hey yo! Spray some more lube. Oh my god, fucking hell, I'm a fucking goat. Oh my. Let's fucking go. Sir? Oh. Here you go. Gentlemen! Hey, show him that dumbass spring compressor.
What we bought.
We got scammed.
Yeah, scammed.
But
we're selling it for 200. Let us know.
yeah, 200. We have the springs out. You're probably gonna fucking reuse this rubber thing on the bottom. Reuse everything up here. You got the little bump stop, the top hat, and then yeah, we're gonna try to throw this on real quick, and then get the back ones off, I mean, not back. Let's do the passenger side too, and then we'll be good. Alright, we have Winston trying to put on his new springs on the front.
Yes,
oh,
sir.
Nice. Alright, now I'm gonna tackle the rears. The rears look pretty easy. It's a divorce setup, so it looks like it's only this one you take out, and this connects to the sway bar end link. You just take out this lower control arm. This should just pop out, and pop the new one back in. Should be smooth like butter. So fucking hot out here. If you live in Sacramento, you know the heat gets pretty crazy in summer, at least for California. So we take out this bad boy and this bad boy. Oh, there we go. Damn, so loose. There we go. Okay, that's...
So some people say you can leave it in there. Some people say you can take it out and put it on. However.
We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Alright, you guys. After a few hours, we have everything on besides the wheels. We're gonna throw that on, and then we're gonna see how much lower it is. Don't work on your car in 100-degree weather. That shit is not worth it. We ended up not even using the spring compressor. This is a fucking waste of fucking money. We have everything all buttoned up here. It was kind of a pain to try to get the struts to line back up into the hole, but it took a lot of fucking strength and willpower to just get that shit in. At least on the driver's side. The passenger side though, that one went in pretty smooth. So, and the rears are pretty simple. The hardest part is probably gonna be the that sway bar end link little bolt to try to get back in. Just lining it up is always a pain. But yeah, if you can do that, you're good. You're goated. The battle is over. We have everything on. Let's check it out. It's not bad. I mean, looks like about a finger to an inch. It still has to settle and everything. And the rears look a little higher, but it'll all settle. How you feeling?
Feeling blessed that I have a friend like Jason to install springs in 100-degree weather, so very grateful.
Yeah.
Get you a Jason.
I don't know if I could do this again, guys. I probably have like 2 more of these in me, but that's it. After that, I'm out.
Get in line, ladies. Get in line, ladies.
There's no line, bro. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Today's video was, I think it's kind of short. It might be, maybe like 9-ish, just like the other one. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I have more parts coming. Hopefully everything comes in by next weekend. I got some
goodies.
New goodies for the G82. But I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.